Hello chicos and chicas, welcome to Diamond Lash. Today I want to share how I do the pinching technique. I will be using the 0.05C and the tweezers that I use for this technique is the fat foot tweezer. Okay, so what we're going to do with your thumb and your index finger, we're gonna pinch. We don't going to do this movement, we're just gonna pinch. That's why it's the pinching method. And then the other hand, you have your tweezers. We're gonna manipulate the fan. But how it works is when I pick up the lashes, make sure that you don't pick it up from the top or the bottom. It has to be kind of in the middle, so you have a little space to pinch the lashes. So I'm going to pinch, and then with my tweezers I'm gonna kind of little bit, I'm gonna open, and you will see that the fan opens when you pinch, and we manipulate with this one. And there is our fan. It's super easy. You need to have good quality lashes and good tweezers, so it make it easy for you.
Now I'm going to show you a little more closely so you can see the technique a little much better. Okay, that was everything for today. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to our channel so you can see more tricks and tips in the future. Bye.